Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to determine whether f is even, odd, or neither even nor odd. So the way we test this is we calculate f of negative x. If f of negative x is equal to f of x, then the function is even. And if it's equal to negative f of x, the function is odd. So you just have to do that for all of these by plugging in negative x into all of these functions. So, for a, f of negative x is 2 times negative x to the fifth minus 3 times negative x squared plus 2. Negative x to the fifth is negative x to the fifth. So this becomes negative 2x to the fifth. Negative x squared is just positive x squared. So minus 3x squared plus 2. This is not equal to f of x, and it's also not equal to negative f of x. Just for reference, I think I'll put negative f of x next to all of these. So this becomes, just flipping all of the signs, negative 2x to the fifth plus 3x squared minus 2, negative x cubed plus x to the seventh, negative e to the negative x squared, and negative 1 minus sine of x. So, to test whether it's even or odd, we have to check both of these options. And this is neither of these. B, f of negative x is equal to negative x cubed minus negative x to the seventh. Negative x cubed is negative x cubed. Negative x to the seventh is negative x to the seventh. So negative negative becomes positive x to the seventh. And this is equal to negative f of x, which we have right here. So I should have said this is neither, but this is equal to negative f of x, so it's odd. Next we have c, f of negative x is equal to e to the negative x squared. Negative x squared is just positive x squared. So this is e to the negative positive x squared. E to the negative x squared. This is just equal to f of x. So it's even. And finally, we have f of negative x equals 1 plus sine of x. It becomes 1 plus sine of negative x. Therefore, if sine of negative x is equal to sine of x, then the function is even, because then this will be equal to f of x. It can't be equal to negative f of x because this is a positive one, not a negative one. So if we can prove that sine of negative x is equal to sine of x, then it is even, otherwise it's neither. To test this, we can just pick 2 points, right? Sine of pi over 2 is 1. Sine of negative pi over 2 is negative 1. Therefore, they're not equal. Therefore, this is neither even nor odd. So we have neither, odd, even, and neither.